Welcome, Brother Jay and Sis Lay.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
So, nung in-invite namin kayo, sabi namin, come in costume. The chosen character, di ba? Eh, wala akong costume. So, nag-Dallas Jenkins na lang ako. Proud behind the scene.
Ayun. Palakpakan mo natin si Brother James sa effort.
Yeah.
Okay, gising pa ba ang lahat?
Icebreaker lang yun kasi para hindi sila.
Oo. Sana hindi po kayo inantok because it's a very, very beautiful talk and also yung message yung yung importante no, than just the talk.
Again, good afternoon, FDS Koinonia. Welcome to our Advent Recollection / Christmas celebration.
Yes. O nga. Sino po dito, just a raise of hands, sino po yung nakatapos na pilgrim sa kanilang mga diocese or with their families? Ayun, thank you.
Yes.
Siyempre sila dito, di ba? Sa ano pa to? Sa ibang bansa? Sa ano?
Sa Rome.
Sa Rome.
Atlantic.
Okay. Sino po yung gustong makatapos before the year ends?
Before January 6.
Before January 6? Okay. Sige. Thank you.
Sino gusto
Tatlo na lang.
makatapos? Sino gusto makatapos sa Vatican din?
Ay, wow.
Ako.
Pero dream talaga natin.
Okay. Sige. But before we go to that, syempre, brothers and sisters, our talk is about the pilgrimage and the Jubilee Doors of Hope. Ayan, nasimulan natin to early this year. Pero kamustahin po natin ang isa't isa in saying, kamusta na tayo in our pilgrimage of the Jubilee Doors of Hope.
Yes. And we call ourselves Pilgrims of Hope, di ba? Pero bago tayo pumunta doon, let's start the journey. We have to understand the path sa nag-umpisa yun. Kanina in-introduce na ni Brother Josh ng konti. Pero silipin natin, bakit ba natin ginagawa ito?
Correct. And baka po, we may find ourselves into the silence, no? Ano ba yung sinimulan? Ano ba yung simula nitong Jubilee Doors of Hope? Sige nga, take us through a little bit of history, Brother Jay.
Yes. So if we look at the people of God, meron silang recurring theme ng silence. Di ba? Katapos natin ng Exodus, nalaman natin that they were enslaved by the Egyptians for 400 years. And alam natin it was already written in Genesis bago ito nangyari yun. Then makikita rin natin, before dumating si Jesus, that's 500 years na walang prophets, walang ni wala silang narinig from God. Silence. That's 500 years, that's 50 Jubilee. 10
10
Jubilee.
Jubilees of silence.
Sorry, mali
Oh, your math is not mathing.
Yes. Kulang sa kape.
Okay, so pero inyo, brothers and sisters, is there anybody here na yung prayers nyo and you feel like God has been silent for already the entire year or even 5 years or even more years than that? Hindi po pinag-pray nyo pero it seemed like it's not happening. Because you grow like parang okay, parang hindi naman sasagutin. But still, you know, you have it in your heart and you feel like the Lord has been silent all throughout those years.
Pero kahit silent na yan, even in silence, it's not hopeless. It's full of expectation.
Yes.
Diba? So, bakit siya full of expectation? It's because Jesus breaks the silence. He walks into the synagogue in Nazareth, unrolls the scroll of Isaiah, and declares the ultimate jubilee. Sabi na sa Luke 4:16-21, "The Spirit of the Lord is upon me to proclaim a year of the Lord's favor." So si Jesus mismo ang jubilee na hinihintay ng Israel.
Correct. So, ayan. Nag-catch up na yung ating slide. So, diba, so the Lord announced Himself, Jesus is the Jubilee. Sinabi nga ni Brother Josh kanina. Jesus is the Jubilee. And in between those questions natin na has God been silent? ang sagot lang po dyan is look at Jesus. Because deep in our hearts, we would know na hindi siya silent because Jesus is there. Binigay niya sa atin yung kanyang anak to give us hope. And yung hope na yun, yung expectant hope.
Yes. Hindi siya yung it's called blessed hope. Hindi siya yung simpleng sana hindi umulan.
Wishful thinking,
Wishful thinking. Sana pumasa ako or sana sagutin ako ng nililigawan or something like that. Hindi ganun yun.
Or sana may 13th month pay na sa Monday.
Sana all.
Sino dito? Pakiready na po yung LO basket.
Next slide.
Ayan. What steals our hope today? Medyo na-touch, of course, na-touch to ni Brother Josh kanina. Workaholism, slavery to wants and schedules. Sige po. In all honesty, and we will of course raise this in our prayers later. Sino ba dito ang natatrap sa workaholism? Raise your hands na po.
Taas ang
Taas ng
kamay.
kamay. Ako parang gusto kong magtaas ng kamay.
Once.
Oo.
Once.
And once. Ayan.
Di ba bro?
Wow. Yung iba parang hindi pa sure or nahihiya. Workaholic po ako.
That's the first one.
Okay. Ayun. Religion without intimacy is a routine with